I interned with the RBDC, Research and Business Development Center, in 2010. My experience there was great. I got to work on a couple of different projects with local businesses and got some good results out of that.
I became a mentor because I wanted to give back and share some of the knowledge that I have gained through being in the industry. I know it has been valuable for me as a mentor working with the students, and I have definitely learned a lot in the last few years working in industry that I know I would have loved hearing some of the advice that I have as a young student.
When you look back, when you're a student trying to come out of school, you just don't know what's going to work and what's not. When you look back on your career after a few years, you can see those small things that helped you along the way. And I like to give back in ways where I was helped. The internships with the RBDC are practical. You get to work with a local business, with their owners or their employees, and you get to put into practice things that you've been learning. So it's no longer theory or discussion, it's a real life learning experience. So learn by doing, you can't get much better than that.
When my daughter and I were talking about her wanting to start her own business, we kind of needed to figure out where we started and what we could do. So I suggested that we look into the RBDC because I know that they had had success before and maybe they could help us get the business started or the company started and what we needed to do.
My role with the RBDC is as a mentor. They present what they've been working on, information they've been gathering, logo designs, that kind of thing, and I give my feedback. As a professional that's been doing this kind of thing for over a decade, being able to give some of that knowledge back is something I love to do.
Let's make a difference together. Contact the RBDC today.